So this is how to fix Rainbow Six Siege crossplay not working. Make sure to follow my steps. First of all, go to the Windows icon. After that, select settings. Now when this home page pop up, just go to the left menu and select this Windows Update button. After that, you need to ensure that you have downloaded the latest Windows update. So select download and install any pending updates right here. If you do have stuck updates on fail, just select retry all. Scroll down and select update history. Deselect the first two. After that, go to recovery and select the first option. After that, go to other troubleshooters. You can select this run button to execute and troubleshoot any problem. After that, go back. Now select the second option if the first one didn't work. Now for the next step, go to the search and type in services. Now once this pop up, all you have to do to select any service. After that, type in the W hotkey in your keyboard. From here, you need to search for Windows Update. When you find it, double click on it and ensure that the startup type is set on automatic and the service status is running on not stopped by clicking on the start button. After that, click apply and OK. Now for the next step, go to the Windows taskbar and select this upside arrow and ensure that the Steam launcher is not running. So if you do find it, right click and then select exit Steam. Next, go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select task manager. You should search for Ubisoft or Uplay. Ensure that the programs are not running in the background. If you do find it, make sure to select it and click on end task. Just wait for a couple of moments. All you have to do is to relaunch the Steam launcher. After that, go to the view option and select library. Now go to the left menu and look for Rainbow Six Siege. Once you find it, just go to this gear icon and select properties. After that, go to installed files on the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish. It will start by verifying the missing and corrupted files that maybe are responsible for the cross-playing issue, and that's it. All you have to do now is to go to the Windows icon, try restarting your computer and see if the problem is fixed.